Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're going to make banana pudding. Start out with cornstarch, 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to do 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm going to mix that up real good and get all the lumps out of it. Okay, put 2 cups here. Put the first cup though, and then get it to where your sugar's dissolved before we put the second cup. It's a pretty fast recipe. Okay, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes on high. Okay, 4 minutes. Okay, I'm going to stir it. Okay, now I'm going to put it back in for 3 minutes, and I'm going to stir after each minute. Much thicker it looks. It's thickening up now. We're going to put it in there 1 more full minute, and then I'm going to add the eggs. Yeah, I forgot to tell you on this 3rd minute, sometimes it'll rise right up to the top of your bowl. So you need this 2-quart bowl. Now I'm going to do the eggs, put them in there. Okay, this is 2 eggs that I've separated, 2 egg yolks. I'm going to temper it now, put a little bit of the hot in. It'll work pretty fast with it. Get about 3 good tablespoons in there. Gonna put it in for 35 seconds. 3 times. Stir in between each. Okay, stir it here. It's thickening up pretty good. It's not gonna be as thick as the pie filling. You're going to have all the cookies in it. Okay, it's ready for the vanilla and butter. Okay, I'm going to put the 2 tablespoons of butter in there. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, I'm going to put a layer of bananas on the bottom, because if the bananas aren't covered in the pudding, they'll turn black. Layer of bananas here, and then 1 of cookies, and we'll be done. This is not much harder than a mix, and it's better than a mix. Okay, I'm putting the last layer of cookies on there, and I'm making sure that all these bananas go down into the pudding so it doesn't turn dark. Okay, got that done.